In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Kittl for print on demand. So Kittl is a platform on which you can make all sorts of designs for every possible use case scenario. So come to kittl.com. Kittl is spelled Kittl without an E. And then simply go to plans. And then I'm going to start with the free plan, which is $0 or €0, whatever your currency forever. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to use my email address to create a free account. Now, when I do the verification, it tells me to upgrade to the pro plan. I'm just going to X out of that, and I'll continue with my free plan. I can just go back to my dashboard, profile and projects, and it brings up this pop-up even before I want to leave this place. I'll just go through this onboarding process. I'll just see sell merchandise or print products. How did you hear about us? You could see YouTube ad or whatever. Whatever you put here, it works. I'm just going to pause and go through. So I'm back on the home page, and it's going to ask me to select what it is that I want to design. Let's say I want to design a t-shirt. And I come here, I see quite a number of designs which I can use for my t-shirt. This could be used for my t-shirt. This could also be used for my t-shirt. You could also upload and you could create a new project on your own. But first, I need to actually select what I want to design. I want to design a t-shirt. So I'll click on that. And when I click on that, it's going to filter all the designs and show me t-shirt designs under here. I could use any of these. I could use any of these. This heart of hooves. So if I scroll down, I could use any of these. Now, I'm going to click on this since I'm also a dad. It says eat, sleep, love, loving, repeat, proud to be a dad. I'm going to click on this particular one. And it redirects me to the next page, which is the editable screen. So the next thing I'll do, I'll just manage cookies here. I'll reject all. You can go ahead and edit all of these. You can edit this text. You can change the color. If you wanted to change this color, this text to another color. You could also change this. You could remove this particular person here. Change this. You could also change the face if you have something better. Now, after doing that, the next thing you can do is that you can go to mockups. You can click to go to mockups and view this on a particular person. So I'm just going to search for t-shirt and I'll click on that. I want to see this t-shirt on this particular model. If you see this crown near any of them, know that it's a premium mockup. I'll click on this. It will take a little bit of time. And you can see it on this lady. I want to edit. I can adjust this on her. I can make this bigger. I'll pull it a little bit down. And you could download the mockup. Now, since this is for men, I'll use this man, this particular man, because the t-shirt is for daddies. So I'll pull this and make it bigger on him. And you could also download the mockup if you so desire. You could click here and download the mockup to share it on social media. And I can also go back to my editor. When I come back to my editor screen, I could just click on download. I'll download this mockup. I'm using the free version, so I can't remove the background. I'll just click on download. And it will take time. I'll remove this. It's already downloaded. So after this, you can go to any print on demand platform of your choice. On my case, I'm using Printify. So I'm just going to come to catalog and I want to look for t-shirts, men's t-shirts. You could also use this for hoodies. Now, I'll just go back and look for hoodies. I would say, let's say hoodies. And when I'm brought with this, presented with these categories here, I'll select this first one. and it gives me all of this. I want to click on start designing. Now I can upload my design, which I just created. I'm going to my library. I don't see it here, but I want to upload it. I'll go to upload, rather, my device, and then I'll add this design. Now we have it here. I'm going to drag that. So it's supposed to fit into this box. I'm going to drag that a little bit more, expand that. And then for the colors, I want to be able to change this to black. If I can't change this to black, then I'll only have to change the mockup. So I look and they give me quite a number of colors here. I'll choose black. So this is the black. If I preview this, and if I preview this on this model, you can see eat, sleep, loving, repeat. Proud to be that. Proud to be that. I can save this product. And then I can add it to my catalog. So this is what I have. I can save selection and just simply add it to my store. So this is how to use Kittl. If I click on black, this is how to use Kittl with your print on demand provider, no matter which provider it is, and you can just add it to your shop from here. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and be ready for the next video. God bless you. Peace.